Now here today is our new NV200 CamperCar VXE. All the excitement of the all-electric campercar on the inside and a traditional petrol automatic engine on the outside. So the best of both worlds in this time of transition. If you're not ready for electric yet, but you want to have the very latest and greatest, well, this just might be the solution for you. Welcome to Sussex Campervans and welcome to Sumnus Ponds, where we're filming today here in mid-Sussex. Delightful campsite with lakeside fishing and really nice place to come and relax. Check it out. The CamperCar VXE is built on the tried and tested Nissan NV200, and we use the petrol automatic variant, so it's really easy to drive. We've been converting these Nissan vans for a number of years, and to date not a single one of them has ever gone wrong. How's that for an impressive record? Pop the roof up and make some room. So with the roof up you have a great space. You can actually stand up, it feels light and airy. We can open the window at the front, we can open the vents at the side, and also we fit as standard the reinforcing here for a roof bed. So you can have a good size single bed here in the roof as an optional extra. Really hot and you want the ultimate in ventilation, you can unzip the entire roof. Isn't that fantastic? And of course, when you get to the campsite, it's really easy to turn the seat round to make a convivial lounge arrangement. There we are, ready for a relaxing cup of coffee. So let's talk about the interior of the CamperCar VXE. The VXE upgrade gives you the full electric interior. Quite a few clients have expressed a concern about having fossil fuels inside their campervan. Concerned about naked flames with gas, concerned about the noise of diesel heaters, the need for servicing. So this vehicle is powered entirely by high-powered batteries. Charge them up when you're on a campsite or at home, run them when you're out and about. There's a high-powered inverter, so you truly have got full-time mains power. It's all controlled on our new custom control panel, controlling the inverter there. You can have it automatic, so it only switches on when it senses a draw, or manual. Got 4 different sorts of lighting. Every ambience you want is possible. Circuit breakers rather than fuses, so if you do hit a problem, you haven't got to go hunting for a fuse. They just pop out and you can really see that something's been overloaded. Fridge, water here, and this rather snazzy voltmeter battery monitor. It's a bit more than just a voltmeter. This can show you how much is discharging, how much power is left in the battery, what its voltage is. If you're that kind of person, if you like to know all the data, this gives you that. And the battery has Bluetooth connection as well, so you can log on to the battery and monitor it and control it from your phone. Aux power here, both high current USB and the traditional cigar lighter sort too. And we replicate those charging ports on the other side of the vehicle. So with the VXE upgrade, there really is full-time mains power wherever you are. Now if you're on a campsite or if you're at home, the hookup supplies that direct from the mains. But if you're out and about, it seamlessly switches over and it's powered through the high current inverter direct from the lithium batteries. So I can be here, parked in the middle of nowhere, and I can plug in my hairdryer and blow dry my hair. Here in the kitchenette, we've got a decent 50-litre compressor-based fridge with an ice-making compartment too. You can really get plenty in there. Key thing is a 4-pint milk fits in the door. Very important. We've got a nice round sink with a pull-out tap, and this tap has got 2 options. You can either fill your kettle with it like that, or you can switch it this way to a spray pattern and you can take it outside to wash the dog. The induction hob is a great feature. I fitted one at home, I like it so much. Induction pans work fantastically well with no danger of naked flames. So easy and so quick to clean as well. And here's the amazing thing, the top of the induction hob is only just warm, it's not piping hot, very safe. A number of our clients have been telling us about their great success using a Remoska, which is ideal when you've got full-time mains power. This is like a saucepan and an oven all rolled into one. Very cool invention and ideal in a CamperCar VXE. Of course, every campervan needs a rock and roll bed. We use our very own system, which is probably the fastest to do and the most comfortable on the market. Push this lever across, pull the bed back towards you, slide it away. There we are, ready for a good night's sleep. Well under 10 seconds. You know, this bed is really supportive and completely flat. Everybody says it gives them a great night's sleep. It's really easy to put the bed away in the morning. Pull the backrest towards you, push the bed back away from you, wait to hear the click, and that's it, you're ready to drive. I really love our furniture upgrade. We're now using this excellent birch ply with the Danish oiled edges. Really looks contemporary, very hard wearing as well. The VXC system is powered by some first grade equipment. Made in Britain and Ireland, we have a custom made lithium battery in a metal case. We have a high quality TrueSign inverter charger, and those two work together both to capture power from the mains when you're charging and to supply it at mains voltage when you're not. Additionally, there's a big solar panel fitted on top with a solar charging controller so that we can capture some of the rays of the sun. So there we are, the new Sussex Campervans CamperCar VXE edition with all electric inside but trustworthy petrol automatic outside. Come and see us at Sussex Campervans. Come and sit in one for yourself, take a drive, see the quality, see if it would suit you. Give us a call on 01403 336369 or send us an email, hello@sussexcampervans.com. We would love to hear from you. Speak soon.